Hi, my name is Skylar Orr and I go to Paragould High School.
I'm Jace Maddox. I go to ASU Newport.
My name is Kalana Smith. I'm 19 and I go to school at ASU in Newport in Jonesboro.
Hi, I'm Bryce Dunn. I go to Mark Tree High School.
My name is Greg Duckworth and I go to Walnut Ridge High School.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Campbell. I'm 19 years old and I go to Arkansas State University in Newport.
My name is Slade Petty. I go to ASU in Newport.
My name is Jacob McQuay. I go to Walnut Ridge High School.
Hi, my name is Andrea Pello. I am from Paragould High School.
My name is Brandon Thrash. I go to Hillcrest High School in Strawberry, Arkansas.
Hi, my name is Caden Kimmery. I'm from Mark Tree High School.
My name is Elijah Briley. I'm from Hillcrest High School in Strawberry.
My name's Camden Gramling and I'm from Paragould High School.
I chose welding because you get to travel the United States and it pays pretty good.
It's a skill people should learn.
Getting to build cool stuff.
It's just something I like doing, just the show of the arc and just the level of creativity you can get with it.
I always wanted to do something, blue collar, maybe mechanics or something like that. Welding was just the easiest pathway that I could take, and it worked out for me.
Just wanted to try it out. I tried it, started loving it, and I want to do it as a career.
Honestly, welding for me is a lot of freedom and I'd like to go wherever I can go.
I chose welding because I fell in love with it in high school and had a knack for it and just stuck with it ever since, and I found my dream job and I'm loving it every day.
My favorite thing about welding is relief to me. It's just like how people go right around for relief. I like to weld for relief.
Just being able to do what I want to do with the puddle, just being able to create and build these big, amazing things.
It can be challenging, but I like being challenged.
I like the freedom of being able to make whatever I want to make and just be on my own schedule.
Getting under the hood and striking an arc, I feel like I'm in control and I know what I'm doing, so it kind of makes me feel comfortable.
It's something that I really enjoy. It keeps me calm. It keeps me not as worried as much.
I love the stick weld. I like that. I like TIG. Well, I'm learning TIG. And MIG is pretty cool.
I like being able to build stuff and knowing that I built that, I accomplished that. It's just kind of cool to see.
I recommend welding just about anyone who is willing to do it. It's great pay, it's an awesome thing to do.
Anybody that wants to get their hands dirty, and
anybody that wants to work hard and make a lot of money.
There will always be a need for welders, and it makes you feel like you're like benefiting other people with being good at what you do.
I would recommend it to anybody that wants to get creative and just wants to get out of the box and go do something. So women in the industry, I'd like to just promote them because we always need more of them, and let's just get honest, they're way more precise and they're driven and hardworking.
It's honestly very invigorating. Like, you feel like, wow, I can do this. I can do the same thing he can do. Probably even better, Like, it's really inspiring to others.
Women in the industry are usually there's not very many of us. So I think we need to encourage more women to do it because it is a male-dominated industry, and I think it would be really good to get more women included into the industry.